Hi everybody, Robert here. This is a cut sheet. I want to go kind of backtrack this how we're going to create a cut sheets for our product line, for our families. So I want to just go backwards here. So this is what the end result is, but at the beginning we went into our level one and we placed. This is out. Okay, we placed all of our families in here for the type property. So let's eliminate these. Let's just eliminate those, and then I have just the one. So what I did here for the one family, I duplicated my level one to a plan view. So that's the plan view of our family of the P1000 piece of unistrut. And then I went to my east elevation and I duplicated and renamed that to east. And then north elevation, I duplicated that and named it the side view. So if I go back into the sheet that's created from a template in the sheet files, you look here, there are all of my components. So there's my front view based on the east elevation. There's my 3D view, just a duplicated 3D view. And then there's my plan view from the duplicated level one view. I placed this X here as a template so that basically I can know where to locate that. Now the schedule is preloaded here and it's our template file. So what we'll do is, now this stuff is already set up. Now if you want me to take the time to go through how you do all this, that's fine, but I'm just telling you how this all works. So now if we go into our, say, level one, can zoom out a bit here, and there we have all of our families preloaded. So let's just, I'm gonna see if I can do this and grab all of these and drag them in, which would be a lot easier, simpler. No, it won't let me do that. Okay, we'll take them one at a time, which is probably better, so we can see what's happening here. So in here now we have the, okay, we got the 24-inch already in, so let's go out here and let's bring in our, cancel that, I'm sorry. Let's bring in our 36-inch. We can also do this, really. We can copy it and just change the type over here. We'll do that as well. Maybe that might be easier and faster. We'll edit this type. Nope, that's the 60. Now, I want to just switch back over to our sheet so you can see what's happening here. So our tables begins to populate. Now, we have this family schedule already defined. It's in one of our templates, so we shouldn't have to worry about this. This is just giving you a good idea of how to build a cut sheet based on one family. We're probably going to go with all of the families at some point, but this is going to be how we do it for now. So I'll go back into that level one. And I can now, I guess maybe it's easy to drag and drop these guys over. So let's go grab the 60. Yeah, this is probably faster. So you see, it's not the 60. Well, so we want the 90, the 84 now. We got the 72. So you get the idea. So let's go ahead and get these done. There's our 72. Now these are in the project, but we don't necessarily have to see them. Now we can do this as a sheet. I'll do this again as a sheet in a project, which is probably better so that we can see all of the families. But for now, this is what we're going to have to do because we have a lot of product to do here. Oh, that's 96. Man, so I go 108 here. So we go to 120. $144. So basically, we just have to get them in there, you know. So 168. There's probably a better way to do this. If anybody know, let me know. Put it in the comment section. Be more than happy to discuss this with you. But I just found instead of making all these one sheet, I was better and faster to just, since it's repetitious and we know what it is, it's just better to take all the families, put them in, create a view. So we got our plan view. And then we can go in here and we can do dimension here. Let's go and just dimension this out. Even though we do have the, so that's the 2-footer. That's probably all we need in that view. And we can go to our 3D view, which is okay. We can shift it around if we like. We go to our side view. And then our front view. Now, make sure this doesn't happen. We got something showing up in the in our view. So what we can do is go back to this plan view area, and let's just do a shift these, all these, up. Let's go back to that side view, or was it the front view? There. So now we'll go back into our sheet. And there you have our cut sheet. Now, this is typical how we do it, how we're going to be doing it for right now. Yeah, geez. Just close it. This is typically how we do it for now. And the next one, we're going to do a project where we show out, we single out all the different families. Now, this template has this X in here, it won't print out, but it's just a location so we can drop these in and we'll get these predefined views each time. We have here now, we go look at our schedule. We showing all of the different families and the calculated weight. Now we've done a video on how to do weights, so you should go back and find that. If you need an update on it, I'll show it to you. But anyway, that's it. That's how you produce a cut sheet from a family, how we do it at AtCore. Again, thank you for watching this video. If you have any comments or questions or anything, please drop it in the comments section.